Shape the wind. The Vanquish helmet is the pinnacle of performance cycling technology. The science of mastering airflow dictated the silhouette from the beginning, with months of development, dozens of iterations, and extensive pro-rider testing. Transform Air technology shapes the wind to work for you. The aerodynamic cliff tricks the air to reduce drag and provide the aero efficiency of a full teardrop aero helmet, and a profile that is more comfortable and versatile in a variety of head angles. Rocklock Air MIPS, an innovative combination of MIPS multi-directional impact protection system and Giro's proprietary Rocklock Air Fit system, makes Vanquish better ventilated, supremely comfortable, and more protective in certain impacts. Wind tunnel ventilation allows air to flow smoothly across the top of the rider's head to deliver optimum cooling around the entire helmet. Extensive internal channeling also works to reduce aerodynamic drag. Vivid Shield, Optics by Zeiss. The shield makes Vanquish even faster by streamlining airflow and features the all-new road-tuned Vivid lens that increases contrast and definition while keeping colors true to life. Progressive layering. A multi-density foam construction saves weight and allows Vanquish to help manage a wide range of impact energies. 4 separate in-molded panels work to make the helmet lighter, more aerodynamically efficient, and more durable. Giro's proprietary triglines allow the featherweight webbing to lie flat against your face, increasing comfort and reducing aerodynamic drag. Integrated eyewear grippers provide easy and secure sunglass storage when you want to see the world with your own 2 eyes. Whether you're hammering off the front, smashing the bike leg of an Ironman, or laying down maximum wattage in a dash for the finish line, Vanquish shapes the wind for you.
This is the new Eclipse Spherical. It's the culmination of over 3 decades of Giro's advanced aerodynamics testing, leading design, and comprehensive protection. Simply put, this is the fastest road helmet in the peloton. But Eclipse offers much more than aerodynamic benefits. In addition to best-in-class aero efficiency, this helmet boasts powerful cooling and comprehensive impact management, all in a light, compact shape with everyday wearable style for riders on the road, track, and mixed surface terrain. The strong front-to-back styling lines draft off our record-breaking time trial helmet, the Arrowhead, and help to optimize performance in the wild, while the Transform Air cliff at the rear of the helmet actively streamlines airflow to reduce drag, and also makes for a subtle yet striking helmet design. Strategically placed vents at the front and rear of the helmet, combined with deep wind tunnel channels inside, allow cooling airflow to move through the helmet quickly while exhausting heat out efficiently. The core of any helmet is head protection, and that's where the Eclipse truly shines. It features a 2-piece spherical technology liner made with nano bead EPS foam that's progressively layered with lower density foam close to the head and higher density foam in the outer layer to help manage a wide range of impact energy levels. Spherical technology also helps to address rotational forces with a seamless integration of the MIPS brain protection system between the inner and outer liners. This ingenious design moves the plastic MIPS components away from your scalp to offer the full benefit of MIPS without compromising comfort, ventilation, sweat management, or added weight. It's a more sophisticated, modern design. The fit is luxurious thanks to our iconic RockLock 5 AirFit system with two-way adjustment, Plush Ionic Plus antimicrobial padding, and our lightweight webbing with adjustable guides that all work together for refined fit adjustments and comfort. The helmet is available in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Eclipse Spherical. Speed without compromise.
Introducing the Ether MIPS, a cycling helmet unlike any other. The Ether reimagines the MIPS brain protection system to effectively redirect energy from angled impacts, while delivering remarkable comfort and ventilation. Many helmets on the market today include MIPS technology by adding a slip plane inside the helmet. But the Ether's innovative design eliminates that traditional plastic slip plane. Instead, 2 layers of foam become the essential components of the MIPS spherical system. The elegant design can provide more protection without any obstruction to comfort or ventilation. The Ether is the future of cycling head protection, with leading-edge features that extend far beyond MIPS spherical. The sleek 6-piece shell forms a stunning silhouette around the Ether's 11 massive vents. Structural integrity is bolstered by the shatterproof, translucent aura reinforcement arch that runs throughout the helmet. Progressive layering of the Ether's multi-density EPS foam saves weight and helps to manage a wide range of impact energies. Deep internal channeling, combined with massive open vents, forces air to flow over the scalp, providing remarkable ventilation. Integrated eyewear docking ports help to secure sunglasses. The RockLock 5 Plus fit system allows riders to custom-tune the Ether's fit with remarkable precision, including the ability to adjust the occipital contact points asymmetrically. Even the Giro logos are things of beauty on this helmet. The polycarbonate shell is laser-cut, with the single-piece logo panel permanently and elegantly molded in place. The resulting badge serves as a reminder of our attention to detail. This feat of engineering is Giro at its best. With the Ether MIPS Spherical, impact is everything.
A helmet that feels like it isn't there. Aries Spherical is that dream. The revolutionary Aura 2 reinforcing bridge is what makes the magic happen. Massive vents for best-in-class cooling. A compact shape that slices through the wind. A feathery weight low enough to satisfy any gram counter. All built around spherical technology. Our ball and socket design powered by MIPS, which can help redirect rotational energy in certain impacts. You'll never know you're wearing Aries Spherical unless you need it. But if you do, rest assured it's the highest rated helmet Virginia Tech has ever tested. Aries Spherical. It's like nothing before.
The Synthe MIPS is the most advanced cycling helmet Giro has ever created. From its feathery lightweight and striking aerodynamic design to the latest developments in head protection, the Synthe MIPS is a step forward in cycling helmets. In order to understand how we can make a helmet that's as fast, light, and cool as the Synthe MIPS, let's take a look at the process required to create it. The first step is industrial design. We start with hand sketches to establish a design direction, then move to half-scale models carved from foam. Next, full-scale designs are sculpted in clay, then scanned into CAD for reproduction on our 3D printers. This full-scale model confirms the fit and is also used for aerodynamic testing in our in-house wind tunnel. When you see the Synthe, you see a single object. But it takes more than 100 parts to make this helmet, and every one of those parts has to integrate seamlessly. The low-friction liner, which is an essential component of the MIPS system, is just one example of how each part needs to be carefully designed, engineered, tested, and manufactured for optimal performance. The tooling required to make the Synthe is highly complex and can take up to 60 days to complete. We work directly with the factory to make sure that every piece of tooling, from the outer shell to the EPS liner and MIPS liner, is precisely machined for optimal fit and finish. A helmet as advanced as the Synthe deserves a beautiful finish. Giro pioneered the process for applying silkscreen graphics to helmets, and we continue to advance the state-of-the-art. The graphics process starts with a flat design, either hand-sketched or rendered on the computer, and then plotted on a grid for scale. As the shell is formed from a flat sheet to a three-dimensional shape, the graphic stretches and distorts. So each design has to be adjusted in 2D to accommodate the distortion before it's handed off for manufacture. The Synthe's outer shell starts life as a flat sheet of polycarbonate. The process for applying graphics onto the polycarbonate shell is similar to applying graphics on a t-shirt or poster, where ink is pressed through a screen. Once the graphic has been applied, the polycarbonate sheet is ready for vacuum forming, which molds the flat sheet into a three-dimensional form. This is an intricate process where polycarbonate is softened with heat, then pressed onto a mold and formed with vacuum pressure. Once the shell has been formed, a CNC robot trims the shell and all of the vents in order to fit the helmet liner precisely. The heart of the Synthe is the foam liner, made of expanded polystyrene, or EPS. To create the liner, polystyrene pellets are pre-expanded in a chamber using pressure and gases that transform the tiny pellets into loose foam beads. Once expanded, these beads are injected into a mold containing the shell and other components that will become the helmet. A highly ventilated helmet like the Synthe requires a complex mold made of multiple pieces, which is assembled by hand, then loaded into the press where expanded EPS beads are injected into it. Heat, pressure, and steam inside the mold permanently bond the polycarbonate shell with the EPS foam beads. This process, called in-mold, reduces weight while enhancing durability and structural integrity. Once the mold process is complete, the operator disassembles the tooling to reveal the helmet. Next is the assembly of the MIPS system, which consists of 13 individual components that have to be connected by hand and then installed into the helmet. Once the MIPS system is in place, we install the fit system, the strapping, buckles, and aero mesh covers. The helmet is now complete and ready for inspection before being packaged and shipped. Every helmet we sell meets or exceeds industry standards for impact management, retention, and other factors that can help to reduce potential brain injuries. Our in-house test lab utilizes more than 50 fixtures that allow us to perform a full range of standardized tests, as well as exclusive fixtures that we have designed to evaluate rotational energy management. Once we've completed testing and certification, the helmet is ready for sale. This entire process, from industrial design through final certification, takes almost 3 years to complete, with thousands of hours invested by the whole team here at Giro. But it's worth it to us. We're proud to have created a helmet as advanced as the Synthe MIPS, a product that can make a difference in people's lives.